No, my lord, my submission is the entire judgment has been rendered behind the back of the public at large. This judgment doesn't constitute residicata. This judgment doesn't constitute residicata.
1 second.
Yes.
1 second.
This
One
judgment is
second.
void.
Please listen. You are not, 1 second.
I am a citizen of this country.
1 second.
Yes.
Don't shout at me.
No, I am very. May I please your lordship?
1 second.
May,
Just 1 second.
At this proceeding, but I am appearing on behalf of the major Milord Industry Association, which is the ASSOCHAM, Milord, and CJI. But we have filed applications today morning. Lord,
If the application is not numbered, it is not registered, we'll follow what sauce for the goose is sauce for the gander. Mr. Rodhi, sorry, no oral mentioning in my court.
No, I'm not, Milord, I'm in the matter I'm saying. I am saying.
We have no such application on board. Let it be circulated. We'll deal with it in the normal course.
But Milord, I am respectfully submitting. If
Sorry,
Your Lordship make
appearing
an
for
order
big
today-
clients, we will not tolerate this. You have to follow the rules in my
But
court.
Milord, if Your Lordship make an order today, my application will be infructuous. I am saying kindly defer the issue of grant of alphanumeric.
Mr. Rodhi, you are aware of what is proceeding going on. You could have intervened at that stage. What is this after the judgment is passed? You want to intervene now?
No, Milord, the order is of 15th March. Ask
No, but
Milord,
you are aware about the proceedings pending before this
But
court.
Milord, we were
Arguments
not
are
parties
going on
anywhere.
together.
we were not parties at any time.
Everybody, the whole world knew that this matter was being heard.
Milord, I have
Come
no.
back 1 second, Mr. Rodhi. You come here after the judgment is delivered. You are now, you file an application. That's not the way.
Milord, I have come only in regard to
Circulate and-
15th March. Kindly appreciate.
No, Mr.
I have no problem in
Rodhi,
declaration
hear you.
of the list of donors
Rodhi.
or the list of recipients.
Mr. Rodhi will not hear you right now. We have a specific application which is on board. You ask your advocate on record to follow the procedure. File an email. It will be dealt with by my registrar listing. We'll take a, we'll get it. No.
I am saying
No,
kindly, Milord,
If I do it for Mr. Rohatgi, senior
No, no,
counsel, then Mr. Rohatgi, you look at me. As Chief Justice, I have no face to tell all the other juniors to whom I declined list mentioning in the morning. What sauce for the goose is sauce for the
I am
gander.
not mentioning, I am not appearing in the matter and
No,
making a
we have-
submission.
We have no such application on board before us.
Milord, I have got it with me.
I've made my
my lord, the entire,
I have emailed
entire
One
judgment has.
second, you wait. One at a time. Sorry, Mr. Rodgi. Yes.
No, my lord, my submission is the entire judgment has been rendered behind the back of the public at large. This judgment doesn't constitute residicata. This judgment doesn't constitute residicata.
1 second.
Yes.
1 second.
This
1
judgment is
second.
void.
Please listen to me. You are not, 1 second.
I am a citizen of this
1
country.
second.
Yes.
Don't shout at me.
No, I am very soft.
Please listen to me.
Yes.
This is not a Hyde Park corner meeting, okay? You are in the court.
Yes.
You want to move an application?
No, my lord.
File an application. What I told Mr. Rodgi applies to you.
No, my lord, the question is, my lord,
There's no question you've got.
my friend has come.
Mr. Nedumbara, 1 second.
Yes.
You've got my decision as Chief Justice. We are not hearing you. If you want to file an application, move it on the email. That's the rule in this court. No
my lord,
further.
we will go by what your lordship.
All, please.
Whatever your lordship says, we will go by that.
Do you want another contempt notice?
No, my lord, your lordship will go by
You have
whatever
had
your
enough
lordship
committed
says.
Bombay.
Only I have said what I wanted to say. That this judgment is rendered behind the back of the people of this country. It doesn't bind us. It doesn't
Please.
constitute. It is not a
Please
representative
do not,
process at all.
please, once we have said no, please move the
I
application by
accept
email.
what your lordship says.
Do not continue and persist.
Yes, I only said it was not a representative proceeding.
You are
All the way come from Kerala.
You are obstructing in the administration of justice.
Pardon, my lord?
You are obstructing in the process of administration of justice.
The entire judgment is against, behind the back of these people. Parliament has been rendered
Hey,
irrelevant.
That's all, that's all. We heard that, please, that's all. You made it.
We are in a democracy.
We will not hear you till you follow the procedure prescribed.
My lord, we are filing it.
Please do,
We are filing it.
please do, we'll consider it afterwards.
Yesterday
That's
at
it.
10 o'clock.
I-
My friend came from Kerala to took a 1 o'clock flight.
Have not-
Be kind to us. Be
last-
kind to
That's
us.
all, please, we will not hear that.
In democracy.
Please call for the
the-
application,
the
please
good
follow
of,
the application.
democracy
My lord,
signals-
may I mention, my lord, my petition for so moto that is pending, whatever lordship want to do, that do only, I will not disturb lordship.
Mr. Agarwala, apart from being a senior counsel, you're the president of the SCBA.
Yeah.
You should know the procedure. You have written a letter to me asking me to invoke my suo moto jurisdiction.
Yes, my
You
lord.
have no locus to mention
So that
anything.
I should not
You
disturb
have to
lordship.
restrict what you
We
have
should not
said.
waste it honorable time, court's time.
Fair
That's
enough.
why.
Lord,
Only that.
These are all publicity oriented stunts. We will not permit it.
Not a handmaid of a.
Whatever
Please-
lordship feel better.
Mr. Agarwala, please keep it at that. I may have to say something more, which will be perhaps a little distasteful.
My lord,
Please-
can also,
please close it.
members of the bar who are senior to your
Mr.
lordship.
Majumdar, it is enough now.
Also senior to your
It
lordship.
is enough.
65-year-old man, Lord.
Be kind to us, sir. We are very polite and begging with your lordship. Your lordship has
Yes.
a soft language.
Majumdar, we have been telling you that you are interfering, you are obstructing us.
No, no, no.
That is
Okay,
done.
be said.
Now, if you don't stop, we will have to.
When we are not heard and we feel threatened. Sorry, Lord.
Follow the line.
Yes, Bala. Yes, hearing now. We issued notice on the last occasion to State Bank of India. Mr. Kapoor, you are appearing? You are appearing for
I
the-
appear.
Mr. Salve is also there.
for the State Bank?
That's right.
Yes.
But I appear for the State Bank.
Yes. Mr. Salve, in
Yes.
our order which we, in the judgment which we delivered, we had expressly asked State Bank of India to disclose all details. The language of the judgment was all details have to be disclosed. Therefore, that includes the bond numbers as well. So
But I,
let SBI not be selective in the disclosure of details. We intend
But I-
to clarify that it shall disclose all details, including the bond numbers and every part of the information which is in its possession and custody. Don't wait for an order of the court. We banked on the fact that the State Bank of India would be candid and fair to the court.